Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the background on your PlayStation 4. The PlayStation 4 system primarily customizes its background through official themes, not by directly uploading personal image files. Many users wonder if they can simply add any picture, but the console operates differently. Understanding this is key to personalizing your console. We will explore how to access and apply these themes, ensuring your console reflects your style. To begin personalizing your console, navigate to the settings icon on your PlayStation 4's main screen. Once inside, scroll down and select the option labeled Themes. This section is where you manage all your downloaded themes and can browse for new ones. You will find a link to the PlayStation Store, which hosts a wide variety of free and paid options. It is the central hub for all official background customization. Once you are in the PlayStation Store's theme section, you will see a diverse collection of options. Some themes are completely free, while others require a small purchase, often costing a few dollars or pounds. After selecting a theme, initiate the download process. It usually completes in under 1 minute. Return to your PlayStation 4's Themes settings, highlight the newly downloaded theme, and press Apply to instantly transform your background and icons. Decide to audible when your original play call is clearly at a disadvantage. For instance, if the defense stacks 8 players in the box, running the ball might be ineffective, so you could audible to a quick pass. Conversely, if defensive backs are playing 10 yards off your receivers, a short run might be a more efficient gain. A sudden defensive shift that leaves an area wide open is another excellent time to audible, allowing you to exploit that mismatch. Your goal is always to counter the defense's plan with a superior offensive strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.